Top 5 Coolest Gadgets We'll Enjoy. Hello and welcome to Tech Biggest YouTube channel. So, before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. 1. Apple Watch 7. The latest version of the Apple smartwatch formula, the Watch 7 is one of the best overall wearables on the market right now. Other than its sleek design, it also packs a large, bright display, fast charging, an ECG monitor, a detailed fitness app, and plenty of additional apps available from the Apple Store. However, the Apple Watch 7 doesn't make huge strides over the Watch 6 before, and it does come in at quite a high price tag. 2. HyperX Cloud Alpha. The HyperX Cloud Alpha is a pair of gaming headphones that offer one thing above all, a fantastic battery life. HyperX claims that these headphones offer 300 hours of battery life. That means you can use these headphones for just over 12 days straight without a charge, although we would really recommend a break in there somewhere. Other than how long they'll last, these headphones also feature a powerful crisp sound and a truly excellent microphone quality. 3. Logitech G413. A good mechanical keyboard can often set you back well over £100, throwing in a bunch of RGB lights and fancy extra features that you might not ever use. The Logitech G413 TKL strips that all back to offer a simple experience. It only costs £69.99, but it cuts out any fancy lights under the keys and chops off the number pad on the right-hand side for a more streamlined experience. 4. MacBook Pro with M2 chip. Does Apple's new MacBook Pro reinvent the wheel? No. Does it feature groundbreaking new features and a revolutionary design? Also no. What Apple's new MacBook Pro does is ramp up specs and improve on an already popular design. It continues to feature the Touch Bar, very much a love or hate feature. It offers more RAM allocation, the charging is faster, and the Pro now features spatial audio. However, the biggest change here is the processor, now featuring Apple's M2 processor chip. This makes the 2022 MacBook Pro an incredibly powerful computer. Finally, we have an Apple laptop that can keep up with gaming alongside the demands of professional editing and creative software. 5. DJI Mini 3 Pro. Every year, DJI's Mini series gets smaller and yet more powerful, cramming high-end specs into a lightweight drone that you can chuck in your bag. But with all those improvements, comes an eye-watering price, and an increasing fear for your financial status if you crash it. It offers advanced obstacle avoidance features, a rotating lens so you can film portraits or landscapes, 4K video, smart flying features like automatic tracking, and the ability to follow a subject. Despite its higher price, this feels like the perfect drone for beginners, those who like to travel, or really anyone in the market for a lightweight, high-tech drone.